What's the meaning of color supplement? Color supplement. Color supplement.
Color supplement. Color supplement. A color supplement refers to a section of a newspaper or magazine that features high-quality photographs and illustrations printed in full color. Often, these sections are included as a weekly or monthly addition to the regular publication. The content of the color supplement typically focuses on art, fashion, travel, lifestyle, and other visually stunning subjects. As a result, color supplements offer readers an immersive and aesthetically pleasing experience that is distinct from the rest of the publication. They are used to attract and retain readership, while also showcasing high-quality visual content.